It's time for a visit to another fabulous home bar. Join us at Kitsch in Connecticut. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, coming to you from Kitsch in Connecticut, the fabulous kitsch-filled home bar of Adam Harmon, a tattooer at Hope Gallery Tattoo in New Haven. Adam has been amassing his incredible collection over many years and road trips across the country, and we intend to see it all after we get a drink. Today, Adam's making a specialty of the house, Magma Not Lava. Take it away, Adam.
Hi, I'm Adam Harmon. Welcome to the Kitsch in Connecticut. Today, I'm going to make my favorite cocktail that I like to call the Magma Not Lava. And we start with a nice glass of ice there. We use a little bit of our maraschino cherry juice. I like to soak my maraschino cherries in a high-proof bourbon of some sort, something 85 proof or better. So you take a little bit of that juice and you add it to the bottom of our glass. And then I like blood orange soda. This is San Pellegrino, but any kind of nice blood orange soda that you like. A little dash of that. That gives us our nice lava layer. Now, into a glass like this, we add some bourbon. This is a bourbon-based cocktail. For those of you that don't always want to drink rum, a little bit more, always good. Put that aside. And then we got a little bit of orange liqueur. Add that as well. And then your favorite mix of juices, this little pineapple mango, but any kind of juice that you like. We just pour that in there and we close it up. Give it a little shake, a little stir. I'm a big fan of being able to make cocktails with what you have on hand. You don't need fancy shakers, you don't need fancy stirrers or strainers. You know, if you got something and you're having fun, you're gonna make a good cocktail. Now we float that fruit juice right on top, so we keep our nice mantle of a cocktail floating on top of our magma layer right underneath there. If it was on top, it'd be lava, but underneath the mantle of our cocktail, it's magma. You garnish it however you like, and there we go. We got our Magma Not Lava.
Adam's kitschy hideaway is proof that building a bar around your unique collections and interests, in this case, the movie Jaws and the king of rock and roll himself, will lead to a one-of-a-kind space that people will love to visit. Throw in a few lovely libations and you may never get them to leave. If you find yourself in the New Haven area and are seeking a tattoo artist, he can be found at Hope Gallery Tattoo. Ask for him by name. So Adam, I love your collection. Is there anything you'd like to show us or tell us a little more about?
Yeah, well, glad to have you all here. I mean, my collection is, eclectic at best, and, just things that I've found and enjoy. I make a real concentrated effort to not buy anything online, things I find at flea markets and at thrift stores. It's come together surprisingly quickly. I like to think that I have kind of a Midas touch of tiki. I walk into a store and it just sort of flows to me.
I love that.
But it's an assorted collection of Elvis things and Jaws things, which is kind of my first love all the time. And so if it looks neat, it's going to end up in here at some point.
Now, how did you get into Jaws?
Jaws is something that has just been with me since I was 5 or 6 years old. Why or how I saw the movie at 5 or 6 years old, I have no idea, but did from the comfy confines of Oklahoma, and then spent that next summer out in New Hampshire swinging off a boat, terrified. So, it's just something that has always been part of my life. I got the tattoo to show. So.
Oh my God! Yes, you do.
Someday gonna get that finished up, but Jaws is a big part of my life.
So tell me a little bit about this mug.
This is one of my favorite pieces. This was given to me by a tattoo artist in Kauai on one of my first and only so far trip to Hawaii. Just at random, I went to Hawaii for my 40th birthday. I was chatting with him about my lounge and my Tiki collection, and he said, "Oh, you better have this." It was full of pens. He dumped it out on the desk. He goes, "You better have this." He goes, "This was a restaurant on Kauai that had closed in the early 80s." And he said his grandmother used to go there all the time and drink there all the time. So when they closed, she went and just got like a case of these and brought them home. So he said, "You better have one of those for the lounge." So that's one of my favorite pieces.
What does this say on the bottom? Does it have the name of it?
This is from Island Holidays Resort, Hawaii. So.
Oh my gosh. That is a great score. Thank you so much to Adam for his hospitality and for showing us his kitsch-filled home bar. If you'd like us to shoot a video at your home bar, get in touch and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, Liquored Up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.